Hello everybody, and I hope you're having a good day. Now what I'd like to talk to you about is Budgie Treats. Now with Budgie Treats, you have to watch you don't give them too many, because like millet, like Sammy's having right now, she's trying to get to the millet there through the ball, which I've created. I thought it would be fun for her to get the millet herself. It makes it more fun, and it's a bit of like interaction with a toy. Now that toy is on its last legs really, because there's no paper inside. There was paper inside, but she's dug it all out and it's all cracked and everything. So I thought it would be fun to put the millet in. Now the reason why I've give Sammy millet today is because she was really good. She let me shower her, and she even had a bath as well. So it's a reward, basically, instead of just putting millet in a cage. Sometimes I do that, but only on special occasions, such as if, say, we go out for the day and you know, it's a treat. As long as you don't give Budgies too many treats, then it's okay. From what I understand, millet is full of sugar. So, and that is Sammy's favourite, very favourite, isn't it? So, you also get things like seed bells, and they are also a sugary treat. So as long as you don't, I know I keep repeating myself, as long as you don't go overboard with the treats, you're fine giving your bird a treat. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And as always, from Sammy as well, we'll see you again